can hit it. Nah, let it go. Go. Yeah. Hold the brake.
Oh yeah, what's up, Jack Squad? I gotta do my intro. What's up, Jack Squad? It's your boy Jack Boy. We're back out here giving another YouTube video. And we in the Scatpack. And yeah, I'm about to be whipping. Hopefully his music good on the way there too. Alright, bet. Sleeping on me, better know Lil Jack gon' remember that. My YouTube shit gon' take a rip. I don't gotta run money and they know that. When I wake up, bitch, gotta run. Know Lil Jack, he fake me. And he tell Lil Shawty too much. What the fuck you think I am, my money? Bitch, I need, don't give me no that. Bitch, I never care for my own. I just gotta keep it. I don't know Lil Jack, they want no right or none. Ain't no way, bro. I know you be having fun, bro. Ain't no way. Hold on, I should get it slowed down real quick. I knew you gonna do it. Oh, oh my God, you can hear it. Oh my God. That's her right there.
Yeah.
She going in there. Oh, we going in the city. I can spin it right here. Don't nobody be right here.
Ain't nobody right here?
Mm-hmm.
Spin that bitch. Go this way. Go this way first. And then spin that bit. Turn that way. No, we ain't going nowhere.
The traction controller?
Let me see. Yeah, turn that bit.
No, boy, ain't no way.
Hold the brake.
Oh, this car.
Hold
there's a lot of smoke.
Hold the brake, bro. Hold the brake and hit it. Nah, let it go. Hold the brake.
She can't even see.
So coming?
Oh, she coming? She probably gonna try to race. He ain't doing that.
He ain't doing that.
Pull up. Tell her pull up.
Pull up. Huh?
Let's see what the G told.
What the G gonna do? Huh?
Oh shit. We ain't got no straightaway. We ain't got no straightaway. I'm not seeing you. And all it is like
Oh, I know where she going there.
Yeah. She trying to hit it too. She trying to hit it. Get her ass.
We got these curves, bro. We on the curve road.
Yeah. Oh,
my God! Oh, yeah. Stay on now.
Oh, got him. Got him. Got him. Yeah.
Where's she at? Where's she at?
She way back there.
Scatpack, boy. Yeah. Patty, patty, patty.
Yeah, you know. Turn that bit.
No, man, ain't no way. Ooh, this car. Oh, there's a lot of smoke.
Hold the brake, bro. Hold the brake and hit it. Nah, let it go. Oh.